Hello dear children, welcome back to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English and today we are going to solve the exercises of chapter 11. Student, in our previous video we have to learn the chapter 11 and now today's video we are going to solve the exercises of chapter 11. So for that you all take out your English literature book and open chapter 11. The name of chapter 11 is Minu and Kitty. So student, let's have a look on the exercises. So first of all, there is an exercise A. In exercise A, here is tick the sentences that are true. So student, here are two options. You have to choose the correct one and tick that. Okay. So first of all, in number 1, Minu was a big girl and B is Minu was a little girl. So student, you have read the story, you know that the Minu was a little girl. So we have to take the option B, Minu was a little girl. Now come to the second. In second there is a two option, Kitty was a little kitten and Kitty was a little hen. So student, tell me which option is correct, Kitty was a little kitten or Kitty was a little hen. So we know that Minu has a kitten, so Kitty was a little kitten. So we have to take the option A. Now come to the next. Number 3. Kitty had milk in a bowl and Kitty had milk in a cup. So we read in the story that Minu always gave milk to Kitty in a bowl. So we know that. So we have to take the option A, Kitty had milk in a bowl. Okay. So here is the option A is correct. So we have to correct the option A. Now come to the next, number 4. In number 4, there is a Minu stood on a bed and option B is Minu stood on a stool. So student, which one is correct? So option B is correct, Minu stood on a stool. So we have to take the option B. Come to the next, number 5. Minu hugged Kitty or Minu hugged Mummy. So option A is correct, Minu hugged Kitty. Okay. After that, come to the next exercise, which is exercise number B. In exercise B, read this sentence and answer the question. Student, we have to read the given sentence and after that we write the answer according to the question. Okay. So there is a sentence, there you are on top of the cupboard. So now tell me, in number 1, who said this word? So we know that this word are said by Minu. So we have to write Minu. And what the spelling of Minu? M-I-N-O-O, Minu. Next, who was on top of the cupboard? So student, tell me who was on top of the cupboard? So it is a Kitty. So it was Kitty. So we have to write Kitty. K-I-T-T-Y. Kitty. Okay, like this we have to complete the exercise A and B. Now come to the next exercise, which is exercise C. In exercise C, there is a answer this question. So student, now tell me one by one the answer. So first question is, what did Minu have? So we know that Minu had a kitten. Okay. Next question is, what did Minu give Kitty in a bowl? So Minu gave Kitty, Minu gave milk to Kitty in a bowl. Okay. So next, number 3. In number 3, where did Minu look for Kitty? Write T for true or F for false. So student, you have to write T for true or F for false according to the given sentence. So first, you can see number A, Minu looked for Kitty under the bed. Yes, it is true. So we have to write T. Next, in the bowl. No, it is wrong statement. So we have to write F. Next is inside the cloth basket. So it is true. So we have to write T. After that, number 4, number D, behind the door. So not, it is a false because see, look behind the cupboard, not the bed, not the door. Okay. So D is F. So we have to write T, F, T, F. Okay, like this. We have to complete number 3. After that, come to the 4. In number 4, there is a where did Minu find Kitty? So we know that Minu found kitty on top of the cupboard. Okay student. Now come to the next. Next exercise E. In exercise E, match the word in two columns to make new words. Okay. So here are some words we have to match the word, and after that we have to making a new word. Okay. We have to join two words and make a new word. So here you can see cup. We have to match cup with board. It become cupboard. Okay, when we match cup plus board, it become cupboard. Come to the next. Second, bed. So we match word bed with room. Bed with room. It will be bedroom. And what the spelling of bedroom? B-E-D, bed, R-O-O-M, room. Bedroom. Number third, here is a sun. So we have to match sun with light. Sun with light. So when we match sun with light, it becomes sunlight. And what the spelling of sunlight? S-U-N-L-I-G-S-T, light. Sunlight. Okay. Now come to the next, number 4. The spelling of sunlight is S-U-N-L-I-G-S-T, light. Sunlight. After that, now come to the number 4. We have to match butter with fly. Okay. Butter with fly. It becomes butterfly. So student, what the spelling of butterfly? B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, fly. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly. Butterfly. Okay. Now last is play, and we have to match play with ground. So it will be playground. Okay. When we match play with ground, it becomes playground. And student, what the spelling of playground? P-L-A-Y, play, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Playground. Like this we have to complete the exercise E. After that, come to the next. Next exercise is exercise F. In exercise F, you can see there is a spelling, and we have to choose the correct spelling. Okay, we have to take the correct spelling. So here are the spelling of kitten. So now tell me what the spelling of kitten. Here is two example. First is K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten, and K-E-T-T-I-N, kitten. So now tell me which one is correct. So we know that the spelling of kitten is K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. So first is correct. Now next is cupboard. So now tell me what the spelling of cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. So second one is correct. Next, in number third, there is a spelling of basket. So student, what the spelling of basket? So here is two example, B-A-S-K-I-T and B-A-S-K-E-T. So which one is correct? So we know that the spelling of basket, B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. So we have to take the correct spelling. After that, number 4, there is a spelling of naughty. So tell me which one is correct. N-A-U-G-S-T-Y, naughty, or N-O-T-T-Y, naughty. So here is N-A-U-G-S-T-Y, naughty. Okay. Next, number 5, there is a bowl. What the spelling of bowl? B-O-W-L or B-O-L. So it is the spelling of bowl is B-O-W-L, bowl. Okay. Number 6. In number 6, there is a spelling of a stool. So now tell me what the spelling of a stool. S-T-O-O-L, stool. So the first spelling is correct. Okay, we have to take them. Now come to the next. After completing the exercise F, now come to the next exercise, which is exercise G. Here is a grammar fun, and in exercise G, we have to read the example and frame question for these sentences. Okay, students, here are first example. According to the first example, we have to frame the question. Okay, so in first you can see there is a yes, can you fly a kite? So the sentence is yes, I can fly a kite. So in second, you can see there is a yes, I can do some. So we have to write the question according to the given sentence. So here we have to write, can you do sums? Can you do sums? Okay. In third, no, my father cannot cook. So we have to write, can your father cook? Okay. And number 4, Can your grandmother drive a car? Okay, the question is, can your grandmother drive a car? So answer will be yes, my grandmother can drive a car. Like this we have to complete exercise G. After that, come to the next exercise H. In exercise H, now look at the example and make some more question. You have to make more question in exercise H. Okay. So in first you can see, does Arun like to play? So here is the answer, yes, Arun likes to play. And second, yes, Abha's mother work in a bank. So we have to write the question, does Abha's mother work in a bank? Okay. Now come to the next. Next, number 3. In number 3, there is a sentence, no, Raghu does not have a storybook. So we have to write the question, does Raghu has storybook? Does Raghu has storybook? Okay. Does Raghu has a storybook? We have to write has. Okay. Not have. We have to write has. Does Raghu has storybook? Okay. Next, in number 4, does Kitty has milk from a bowl? Yes, Kitty has milk from a bowl. We have to write the question. Okay. After this, come to the last. In last exercise K, you can see there is a writing work. Write about a pet animal. Draw its picture in the box. A student, we have to write about our pets. Okay, that we have. Okay, so here I am drawing a rabbit, and you also draw a rabbit, cat, dog, what you have. Okay, so we have to write about there in some word. We have to write some few sentence about our pets. Okay, so first of all, here is a first I have a rabbit, so I am writing here rabbit. And next I call it, so I call it bunny, BUNNY, bunny. Third, it is very naughty, it likes to eat carrot. And last, I love my pets. So student, you can also write it in your way. Okay, that what you have a dog, cat, cow. Okay, you have to write about your pet. Okay, so now after doing these exercises, student, you have also write this exercise in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, so till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep practice of study. Okay, thank you.